Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video I will show you how you can add a size chart option in your Shopify websites for free and also for the lifetime. Okay, so I will show you how you can add such type of size chart option in your Shopify website. As you can see that I have this website and here I have this single shop page, and when I click on the size chart option, then this in this manner like that. So I will show you how you can add such type of size chart option in your Shopify sites, and and if you click on this button then this option will also come. Okay, so let's start the video, and I'm gonna show you how you can add this option for free in your Shopify website. So let's get started. Okay, so for adding the size chart option in your Shopify website, you have to just go to the apps. And so let's go to the apps. And after going to the apps, you have to go to the apps, and or you can go to the all recommended apps. So you have to just install an app for this. So let's go to the Shopify App Store, and where you will find so many apps for the size guide. But I have tried all of that, so I will show you the best option which you can use for your website to adding this feature. Okay, so you have to just go here in the search panel and search here this. Okay, so after that you will see that so many options are there. So just you have to install this option, Avada size chart and size guide option. So just install this Avada, and after that you have to just install this. So let me show you how you can successfully set up this for your Shopify website to working it properly. Okay, so let's wait for it to install. Okay, so let's go to the install option, and after that we have to just wait for it. And I will show you what are the all the options which are available in this app. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. Okay, so here you can see that you have so many options like men's top, men's bottom. So it will give you all the options which you want to display on your website. Suppose if you have the website for the shoes, then you can choose for the men's shoes. If you have website for the men's tops, so you can choose it from there, and this is fully changeable from the backend. Okay, so after that you have to just go to the next option. Okay, then here you have to choose the free plan. So let's choose the free plan here, and this free plan will do your all your work, and this is lifetime. Okay, so after that you have to just enable this from here, then it will open your theme editor. Okay, so you have to just enable the Avada size chart here and then save the changes. So let's wait for it. Okay, so like here you can see that it is saying for the app embed, so you have to just enable this, which is already enabled when you open that. If it is not, you have to just toggle this and it will be enabled. Then after that you have to just save the changes here. Okay, so right now you can see that I have already. Okay, so just you have to enable this and just save the changes, so it is automatically saving in my, because I have already used this once. Okay, so you have to just save this from here. Okay, so after saving this, what you have to do, then you have to just go to the campaign, and here you will get a predefined pre-made one here. But if you want to enter a new campaign, so let's go and here enter a new campaign. So in the free plan you will get two campaign for free. Okay, so let me go to the campaign, and I'm gonna delete my one campaign from here, because in the free version you will only get two campaigns. Okay, so let me delete this campaign and I will show you from beginning. Okay, so here you can see that here I have so many options. So let's suppose I have a men's top option. Okay, so I will choose this. So here you can change the whatever text you want to add here. So suppose I want to add here men's top, men's category size chart. Okay, so and here you can replace this with your images, and this is the and here you can go and just replace the content from here according to your, or here you can just place the images here, and you can delete all of this and just place the image. So it is fully customizable according to you. Okay, so after that you can add a new here also. If you want to showcase the new image or something, then you can also edit from here. Okay, so I will gonna keep it only one for now. Okay, so after that what you can do, so after that you have to just go to the save. So here you have to enable this. So let's enable this, and here let's go to the step 2 settings. So here you have to just name this. So let's me write man size guide. So right now it is saying the untitled, now it is showing its name. So here you have to set the priority to 1. Okay, so it is saying that bigger number higher priority means if you set it once, so it will automatically show in the here like that. Okay, so then here where you want to display the size card option, so it is saying that all product pages or in the selected pages or in the group. So here you have to just choose the all product pages if you want to show those size chart in all the pages. So I will recommend to keep this because it is a free version. We don't have many options. So just keep this and add all your size chart in one place. So that's easy. So that if anyone visiting, he can scroll from all the size chart at once. Okay, and these are the pro options. So after that you have to just enable this, then go to, if you want to change the something, the means the layout and all, uh, then you can change it from here. Okay, suppose I want to show it above, or suppose I want to show it below or something, so you can change it here. Okay, so let's save this. Then after that let's go to the campaign options. Okay, so it is saying that okay, so here you can see that it is saying that campaign created successfully, so just stay. So let's go to the settings option, and after that settings, so here you can see that we have this option what we want to show here. So right now you can see that I have this scale option. If I want to change the scales, you can click here and the scale will change. Okay, so like here. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this. Okay, okay, so I will keep this. Then after that what we can do, we can then change here. So here it is saying that where you want to show it's the float button desktop position means this is the float button. If you don't want to show this float button, you can just disable this. Okay, so right now you here we have this option for the inline link. If you want to only show the inline link, if you want to show only the float button, or if you want to show both, you can do it from here. So I will keep the both only, and here are the option for changing the position of this float button. Okay, top right, top where, so I will keep the middle as the default. Okay, middle right. Then after that float button mobile position, in the mobile it will show in the below or the top. This is all fully changeable. And this is the option where you want to show this option in your single product page. So here I have the insert above or insert below, so it is also fully changeable. Then here are the mode. If you want to show in the dark mode or the light mode, these are the option I here. And here are the option if you want to open this in the full screen, then it is the option or left or right. So I will keep this in the center only. Then after that all these options are, and this is fully changeable. Like here if you want to change the color of this, you can change it from here. Okay, so this is a very great plugin if you want to add the size guide feature for free, and this is fully changeable, customizable. And if you know the CSS, you can come here and add the CSS code by inspecting, so you can change its all type of things. Okay, like if you want to change the border, and if you want to add some padding and all, so it is, so if you know the CSS, you can change this whole layout and look. Okay, so after that this is these are the option. So let's do one more thing. Let's save these changes, and after that let's wait for it. Okay, so it is saved. So here you will get the option for the integration, and here are the subscription option, but we are using only the free one. Okay, so let's go to our theme. So let's open this and open this. So after that let's wait for it to open. Okay, so let me go to any my single product page. So let me go let me open this. So like here you can see that after this you will it takes some time to load. So when I click here, you can see that we have the size chart option in our website like this. And also this is and when you click here also, it is also working. So let me show you the mobile version of this. If I go to the inspect option, so you can see that we have this option here. If I click here, we have this full option. Okay, okay, so in this way you can add a size chart, and this is fully draggable, fully changeable if you have so much size chart. Okay, so in this way you can add your size chart option in the Shopify websites for free, and this is the best plugin which I found on the Shopify App Store. So you can use that for showcasing your size chart in your website, Shopify website. Okay, so if you like such type of video related to Shopify, WordPress, Elementor, and the React.js frontend projects. Okay, so please like and subscribe our channel and share our videos with your friends. And I will back with an awesome video next time.